Hey guys, it's Emmanuel Jordan with Gadget Hacks. If you're tired of digging through recipe sites and pop-ups, Apple News Plus Food might just be your new go-to for quick recipes and kitchen tips. Here's how it works. On an iPhone, you can access it by opening the News app and navigating to the following tab. On an iPad, it'll be in the sidebar, and you can customize its placement by tapping Edit and dragging food to your tab bar for easy access. You might also see it in the Today feed on both devices. Once inside, you'll see the recipe catalog, which is a collection of recipes from various publishers handpicked by Apple's editors, and your own saved recipes and favorites. This makes browsing for recipes simple. The recipe catalog is organized into trending topics like weeknight chicken dinners and popular recipes. If you're looking for something specific, use the search bar at the top or refine results with the filter button, which lets you sort by cooking time, dish type, and dietary preferences. When you open a recipe, you'll see a serving size, publisher details, and buttons to cook, save, or share the recipe. The recipe instructions are displayed step by step, and you can tap into the ingredients list to mark what you already have, which makes it perfect for grocery shopping. Another cool feature for those of us who have burnt a dinner or two is the cooking timer. It lets you start a countdown directly from the instructions so you don't lose track of your steps. And tapping the cooking button on the recipe opens the full screen view, making it easy to follow along. If you want to save a recipe for later, you can tap Save on the recipe card, put 3 dots in the top right-hand corner, or long press Recipe in the catalog and select Save Recipe. Now if you want to find your saves, scroll down to the Save Recipes section in the recipe catalog, tap the large or small Save Recipes icon, or find them in the following tab. The only downside right now is that Apple News Plus Food doesn't sync with the Reminder app, but this could be added in a future update. That wraps up everything you need to know about Apple News Plus Food. If you're into tech that makes your life easier, check out our other videos where we break down the best apps, devices, and software tips to help you get the most out of your gadgets. Till next time, thanks for watching Gadget Hacks.